Hi, in this video, we gonna show you how to create thumbnails for YouTube using your phone. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, download Pixel Lab app from Play Store. Now open Pixel Lab and give all the permissions, then you will see this page. Before we start to edit, we need to resize the canvas to match YouTube thumbnail size. For that, click this 3 dots and choose image size. Now expand this preset menu and choose YouTube thumbnail and press OK. First, let's change the background. For that, click this button. And here, we have options to choose from colors, built-in images, select images from your photos, and also, you can take a picture directly from your camera too. And if you want, you can make the canvas fully transparent like this. For this thumbnail, I'm gonna choose the color option, and here, I can choose any plain colors I want, or, I can choose gradient colors as well. Let's choose this gradient color. Now, let's add some images to our background. Click this plus button, and select, from gallery option. Now choose the image you want to add, and here, you can edit the image size, and orientation. You can resize the image, or, you can even crop the image if you want. After you've finished editing, click this button to continue. Let's add more images. You can move them anywhere on canvas by dragging, and if you want, you can resize them by dragging this dot, or, you can rotate them by dragging this curve icon. Now I want to move this image to front, and that means, this one needs to go backwards. For that, click this button to open the Layers tab. Now touch and drag the layer you want to move, like this. After that, you can lock these layers by clicking this lock button. Now, this layer will stay the way it is, until you unlock it again. Also, you can hide the layers by clicking this I button, and, you can edit the layers furthermore by clicking this button. Here, you can duplicate, resize, and rotate the layers if you want. And, you can delete layers by clicking this button. Now let's go back. And here you have more options to edit images. You have options like change the colors of the image, erase some of the image, add a stroke, or, mask, and change the texture, and opacity, and more. Now, let's add some text to this thumbnail. Click the plus button again, and choose text. Double-click on the text to edit. Then click this button to see all the editing options for text. All these options are self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna explain these one by one. Try these options by yourself. I'm gonna edit these a little bit more. Then if you want, you can add shapes and stickers as well, but, I'm not gonna do that for this thumbnail. Now it's time to export the thumbnail. For that, click this 3 dots again, and choose Export Image. Change the format to PNG, and click, Save to Gallery. That's it. We create a thumbnail for YouTube. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.